This is Dog's favorite place. Playing in the park is his passion. The dog wakes up early every morning and heads to the park with excitement. The time he spends with his owner is his happiest moments. Meeting his friends in the park is also a great pleasure for the dog. Every dog joins in his joy. The dog appreciates every moment while enjoying nature. Every new day means a new adventure for him. The dog's energy and happiness spreads to everyone around him. His smile warms hearts. Dog's story is full of new hope and happiness every day because he lives in a world full of love.